Hi, so we're here with ServiconCares, and we're at North Park in Inglewood, and in honor of Earth Month, we're here to take care of some trees with TreePeople, one of our philanthropic partners. We try to have at least one event a year where sometimes we'll be planting trees, and today we're caring for trees that are already here. And it's just a really great way for all of our volunteers at the company to get together, to bond, and to get their hands dirty for the community. Thanks everybody, that's it for ServiconCares today, working with TreePeople. We're dirty, we're sweaty, and it was a great day.